I have a sheet where I'm tracking the ratings that instructors got when they taught a webinar, and I want to make sure those values are only between 1 and 5. So I'll select the cells that I want to make sure are all within that range, and then I'll go to the Data tab and I'll choose Data Validation. And the Settings tab is where I'll set my criteria. I'll click the drop down. In this case, I want it to be a whole number, and I want it to be between 1 and 5. Next, I'll click the Input Message tab, and I'll enter the title, and I'll enter the input message. Next, I'll go to Error Alert, and this is where I'll customize a message that appears if they enter a value other than 1 through 5. I'll click OK, and notice my input message appears for all those selected cells. I'll enter some valid data, and then I'll enter a rating of 6. And the data validation I set up displays an error message.